Alright, I am testing a 3-ingredient fudge for my new cookbook coming out. Old trusty Marshmallow Fudge. Oh shoot. So we're just short. I am like 1 tablespoon short, so I'm just going to take out 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm gonna melt this together. Melt it just a little bit more. Okay. Gonna give that a try. I think it's gonna work. Yum. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Got my fudge here, my chocolate marshmallow fluff. Yeah, if you want this softer, so this is a pretty 3 cups of chocolate chips and 1 cup of marshmallow fluff is a pretty stiff fudge. So I would say you could do 2 cups of chocolate chips or 1 cup of, or if you wanted more, you could do 2 cups of marshmallow fluff if you wanted. Here's my taste tester. Yeah, that's really good. So if you want it a little bit softer, use 2 cups of chocolate chips instead of 1, or instead of 3. But this is really good.